Welcome to Pocket Women Lockpicking and Lock Sport. Today is Lockout Tagout Lock Tuesday. Hashtag it Loto Lock Tuesday, the day we feature the locks that keep our workers safe. I've got for you this beautiful 7240, the Avis black one that I attempted to pick while singing for Chris Capoon's giveaway challenge. Well, we all know how that went. So I've decided to redeem myself on this one. Instead of trying to pick it at 1:30 in the morning, I'll pick it at 2:30 in the afternoon and we'll see how we go. Beautiful bitting on it. This is the lock that I got from Paul Springett. See if it still works. Beautiful. A bit grabby, but you get that on new locks. Going in with a homebrew tension to it. Homebrew Mikado handled from Daz Evans. Let's see how we go. Going to push straight to the back. Yep. And hopefully I've set some on the way through. Not a lot of room in the keyway. This is one of the nicest Loto locks you can play with. It puts up a fight. It's beautiful to hold. No sharp edges, anything like that. It's nice and light. It's made of aluminium. And you can gut it, so you get to explore what's inside. Oh yes, got it. Woohoo! Okay, we're going to get to gut this one. Alright, slide in all the tools I had ready for last night, or the early hours of this morning that I couldn't get, and I didn't bring a screwdriver. Oh, can you believe it? Okay, let's see if this one works. No. Oh no. Hang on while I race to get a screwdriver. So just when you think you're prepared, you're not. Okay, let's try this one. Oh, that screw's got some Loctite on it. There we go. Couple of these things off. Drop the cord out. Remove the C-clip. Lock it back up. Give it some leverage. Okay. Turn it. Shim it. Follow it. Yeah, you got the key pins coming out which way? Oh, they're dropping out that way. Okay. Saved a gutting disaster. Where's my tweezers? Skipping one. Two, three, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, let's go upstairs. Shim out. Start at the back. To spool. Springs are all the same. Oh, they're springy, they're jumpy. You gotta watch these ones. They will zoom out and you won't be able to find them again. I've got these around the wrong way. So that's actually there. Okay, fighting the springs. Right in there. It's a standard and a spool. And another spool. That was weird. Hang on. There we go. Everything's out. This is off center. So when you put them back, you've got to remember it's coming off center at you. So let's see if we can get a closer look at these. Oh. So it should be 5 spools and 1 standard. Bit of a messy gutting, sorry folks. Got glasses on, but they're still not working for me today. I can't actually see this very well, everything's all blurry. So hopefully it's not blurry for you on screen. That's my Lockout Tagout Lock Tuesday, hashtag Loto Lock Tuesday. Put the hashtag on it so others can find your videos. Enjoy. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.